Understanding, look who it is, a phrase guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and interesting English phrase. Look who it is. This phrase is often heard in casual conversations and can be a bit confusing for English learners. So, let's dive into its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand it better. Look who it is an expression used when someone is surprised or pleased to see another person. It's a way of acknowledging someone's presence, usually in a cheerful and friendly manner. This phrase is often used when the person arriving is not expected or hasn't been seen in a long time. It's a way of saying, I recognize you and I'm happy to see you here. Subsection 2.1. In social gatherings. In social gatherings, like parties or reunions, look who it is used to greet someone who arrives unexpectedly. It adds a sense of warmth and excitement to the meeting. Subsection 2.2. In casual encounters. When you bump into someone you know at places like a shopping mall or a park, this phrase can be used to express a pleasant surprise at the chance meeting. Subsection 2.3. In formal settings. While less common in formal settings, it can still be used in a light-hearted manner, especially if the speaker has a close relationship with the person they are addressing. 1. Meeting an old friend. Look who it is. I haven't seen you in years. 2. Surprise visit. Wow, look who it is. What brings you here? 3. Variations. Similar expressions include, look what the cat dragged in, or, speak of the devil. Do not use this phrase in a sarcastic or negative way, as it is meant to be friendly and welcoming. Be aware of your tone and facial expression. They should match the positive nature of the phrase. Look who it is a versatile and friendly phrase that's great for acknowledging someone's presence in a positive light. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Keep practicing, and don't forget to use it in your next unexpected encounter. See you in our next video.